Hello YouTube, welcome to the first video on my channel, and on this channel I'll be showing you guys how to do some stuff for Mac or some cool tutorials. So this video I'll be showing you how to create a folder slash file on a Mac. It's quite harder than Windows. So if you're watching this video, you're probably new to a Mac. So let's go to the first step. So if you have noticed, or maybe not, if you press on any application up here, the name of the application here changes. So if I press on Chrome right now, just open it. See, it just changed to Chrome. So if you want to create a file, you'll have to press on the main screen, the background, or you want to press on Finder. So it's the same thing, but there's just two ways. So when you have press on Finder or the background, you want to go up to File and press on New Folder. So as you can see right here, there's a new folder, and then it turns blue when you can change the name of it. So you can change the name of it if you want. I don't really want to do that, so it doesn't really matter. So here's a folder. You can put some stuff into it. You can drag apps. You can put some apps in the folder. You can do anything in this folder. So if you can open it, and you press the settings over here, you can add another folder inside that folder. So this folder has another folder in it, and then that you can store stuff in this folder and the folder inside that folder. It's technically two folders, but it's like in one folder. There's too many folders. So if you want to delete it and you don't know how to delete some apps or anything, you can just press on this. If you want to do this, press on the settings again, move to trash. And one more thing you want to know right now is how to right click on a Mac. So if you want to right click on a Mac, you want to press Control and then press anywhere. So if you want to make another folder, you can right click by pressing Control and then pressing your mouse, and you can make a new folder right here too. So you can delete this by pressing Control and pressing on it and moving to trash, and then Control trash, empty trash, and this is how you do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a like and subscribe. Peace.